after months and years of being apart, dumating na din ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. Sa mga panahon na hindi tayo magkasama, walang araw na hindi ko inisip ang pagdating ng araw na to. Ang araw na hindi na tayo muling maghihiwalay pa. We are now standing together in front of God and all who are dear to us, proving our unwavering love for each other. Not even the hardship of distance can break. Through you, God has shown His amazing love for me. You are the man I have prayed for and more. And I am beyond blessed to be here with you as I vow to be your partner for all the days to come.
I remember when I was praying to God, I asked Him to give me the ideal wife for me. Simple lang naman ang hiling ko. Yung taong mamahalin ako habang buhay. Naalala ko pa dati nung mga bata pa tayo sa classroom. Magkatabi, nag-uusap. Sa playground naman, masayang naglalaro. Sa harapan ng ating mga pamilya, sa mga kaibigan at lahat na nagmamahal sa atin, sino ba naman mag-aakala na ngayon kaharap na kita sa altar?
Hi, love. Finally, the long wait is over. I waited so long for this day. I thank God He answered my prayers. I chose this gift because I know this is forever. I hope you like it. Love, VJ.
Hi, love. Since the beginning of our relationship, our lives evolved around time. Living in different time zones, we had to work our way around our schedules. Through God's grace, we managed to make it work. Our time to be together for the rest of our lives has finally come. See you later, your soon-to-be wife, Camille.
Thank you for always putting me first. For always looking after my own happiness and comfort before yours. For loving me with all my flaws and imperfections. Most of all, I am grateful for the love that you give to Nathan. You are truly an answered prayer not only to me, but more so for him. Because of you, I am a firm believer of second chances, destiny, and fate.
Every smile and photograph, we're finding ways to make these moments last. Anytime when I'm with you, I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on, darling, move in close. I just wanna let you know that love you're all I need. Ooh, love you're all I need. You're all I need.
promise to have Christ to be in the center of our relationship. I will always be there because I know I gave you my hand to hold. Therefore, I give you my life to keep. Mahal na mahal kita.
From now on, you will never go through life alone. I promise to always be by your side in times of need and trouble, success and failures. I will be your best friend, your travel buddy, sound critic, and forever buddy.